the boards. Picked up by Kadri. And McKinnon moves in. And shoots and scores! It's Logan O'Connor! Logan O'Connor rips a shot! Up high on Adam Huska, and it's 5-2 Colorado.
What a move he put on Miller. Miller thought he was going to go to the outside, and O'Connor just pulled the puck right into his skates and just slid right past Miller. Here it comes again. Watch how he'll just slide right past him and then take the shot. What a move by O'Connor. And again, another play where Colorado, they're so good with the puck. They're able to carry the puck over the blue line, and then their skill takes over.
Gerard Gallant having words with Gord Dwyer, one of the referees. Dwyer and Wes McCauley are the referees tonight. All right, they're ready to resume play.
I think he's trying to fire up his team. He does that as well. You know, he